Welcome to the product demonstration of missile detection and distraction. In this part we are using ultrasonic sensor and one gun, and also using a servo motor, and also using a, so we can see a stepper motor in the base side. So we can see a stepper motor. We can see here a stepper motor, motor driver which will drive the stepper motor, and also we can use transistor board to give the signal to the laser. So this is a laser. So whenever the obstacle detected by this ultrasonic sensor, the same time it will give the light, the same time the servo motor will be rotated. And we can see we are using a PIC microcontroller for this process. So and we can see here track PCB. So we are mainly using two power supplies. So we can see here. So one is providing the 230 volts power supply, and that will be given to this rectifier. This rectifier converts AC to DC 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given to this track PCB. Using this track PCB, we are giving the power supply to the servo motor and stepper motor only. These two motors require more power, so that's why we are providing a separate power for these servo motor and stepper motor. And also we are providing another power supply for the system. So we can see we are also providing a 230 volts of power supply. That 230 volts power supply will be given to this rectifier. This rectifier will be step down up to 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given to this PIC microcontroller. Through this PIC microcontroller, we are giving the 5 volts power supply for the ultrasonic sensor and laser light gun, and also providing the 5 volts power supply for the 16:2 LCD. And we can see the switch here. So if you want to on this switch, so if we on this switch, 5 volts of power supply will be flow to the stepper motor and servo motor. Let us see how it will be works. So first of all, we need to give the power supply for the PIC microcontroller system. Now we can see it is showing the missile detection and auto destroy in the display. We can see in the display it is showing the distance of this ultrasonic sensor. So we can see if any object will be detected by this ultrasonic sensor, we can see the laser over the ultrasonic head. And also this switch is in off position, which means this servo motor and stepper motor is in off position. If we on this one, so first of all we need to give the power supply for this one also. I forgot to give the power supply for the another rectifier. So now we need to on the power supply right now. So we can see it will be rotate up to 60 degrees. So it will rotate up to 180 degrees. So just off this one, so we need to set any angle up for this stepper motor. Just rotate this one and on the power supply. So we can see it is starting from the 0 to 180 degree. So if we place this one, then automatically it doesn't take any bullet to this gun. So that's why it doesn't take right now, because it is detecting the object and it is firing. So that's why it is not taking any bullet. For that one, we are using the switch to off this one, and we have to set the bullet here. Then we need to on the power supply. If it is detected, it will give a fire. Now I am giving the I will give a object to the ultrasonic sensor. If it is detect the object, then it will be fire. Now I am giving my hand. So we can see it have fired. After that it will be continued. So again we need to insert any bullet. Just switch off this one and add a bullet to this gun. Now switch on, and now it will be detected any object, then it will be fire like this. So in this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.